Hey guys, welcome back. It's Luke Secora, and in this module, I'm going over how to create the best looking professional picture on eBay. And this is just simple example. I literally just took this picture of an old iPhone 4 with my phone, and I emailed it to my email. I emailed it to myself, and here I've opened up my email, and I've got these two pictures here. And all you've got to do is download them directly to your desktop or whichever folder you want. Okay, so I chose to download these guys right here on my desktop. Okay, now first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and right click, and this is on a PC, so everyone with a PC, this is what you would be able to do. We're going to open with Paint. Everyone with a PC has a program, Paint, that comes standard with all of your computers. And this is how we're going to go ahead and edit this. Go ahead and make this a little larger here. Okay, so here it looks all blown up. First thing you're going to do is hit View up here on the left and zoom out until everything's clear. Okay. So we'll probably go about that size, and then go ahead and click Home. Now when you're on Home here, you have all the tools that pop up and then colors that pop up. So here we can go to Work and make this picture look great. First thing we're going to do, okay, eBay likes white backgrounds when it comes to ranking your picture on eBay's first page. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out the entire background and make everything white. And to do that, we have to be a little bit artistic in this because it's kind of like we're drawing here. We're going to click this polygon figure, okay, and we're going to go to Fill and make sure that it's a solid color. And the size of the line we're going to use, I like to go with the smallest just because it gives you the most detail on it. And we're going to make sure that both of our colors are white, color 1 and color 2. Color 1 will be the border, and color 2 will be the fill-in. So once we have that down, we can go ahead and start working. Now we're going to go ahead and get as close as we can to the edge of the phone. Okay, and we're going to hold down the left key on our mouse and see there's a line that comes out. Okay, we're going to drag that all the way straight until it starts to curve again. Okay. And we just let go and click it again, and see how it drags it. Okay, let go, click it again, let go, click it again, let go, click it again. Now if you've got a bunch of spikes or something on a picture, on an object, you might have some more clicking and unclicking and dragging than this picture. This is pretty simple, but we're gonna just using this as an example so I can show it to you guys pretty quickly. And we don't have to be perfect, but you do want to get pretty accurate. If it has a bunch of spikes or whatever, buttons and stuff you need to zoom in on and do this with, that's fine as well. As a matter of fact, you can stop anytime you want. Say everything's there's some bumps coming up over here with the buttons, and you want to zoom in to get a more accurate cutout of it. You can stop here, okay, then drag it right here and go back the way you came to reveal what you just did. Okay, and we're going to stop it here, click it, unclick, drag it up here, drag it over here, drag it down, okay, and then we can stop. And then now what we have here, this is what we like. So if we clicked anywhere else on this page, it would mess up this whole picture. So we want to make sure we end this task. All we got to do is come up here and just choose another shape. Boom. And then go ahead and go back to the polygon. Boom. And then we can start again. And if we want to zoom in to get more accurate, we can. So we're down here, right? So we want to get a little bit more accurate, so we start there. Okay, There's a button. Pretty easy. You know, sometimes it can be time consuming, but if you're buying product that you're getting quantity of, you're getting a lot of, say you got 100 of one item or more. I mean, sometimes I get, 1,000 or 10,000 of one item. I'm going to want to take the time to make the best looking professional picture, because once you start to get really good at this, you're going to get way, way better at ranking. Once you have all the rank steps down, I think was 7 steps to rank your listing on eBay's first page. Well, when it comes down to it, when you mastered all those steps, the next thing you're going to master and continue to get better at is making your pictures. Okay, so we want to, let's see, I think we can scroll up here at the same time. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so let's stop again, and then reverse our backpedal what we just did. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead, go to home, click on another object so we don't mess up the picture, and then click right back on that polygon so we could start over. Okay, and then we want to scroll up a little bit right there. Okay, we can start all from wherever we want again. Pretty simple. And it's even simpler if you just have a simple square, if you're selling something in a box. But you get the hang of it. You'll get the hang of it. And I'm not even using a mouse. I'm literally using a laptop right now, so it's going to be a lot harder not using a mouse. So everyone will have a different situation, but it's pretty easy, and when you're done, it looks really great. So now, okay, I'm done with that task. I'm going to switch over to the square or the rectangle, okay, and then zoom out. I'm going to zoom out all the way just to make sure I'm getting everything. And then when I hit that rectangle, now I'm going to make all the edges disappear. Okay, and then click it to be done with it. Click it to be done with it. Okay, click it and you're done with it. One last time. Oop, and then see here, right here, I missed a spot right here. So all I have to do is just do it right there. Click it. Okay, and now I'm done. Now I can zoom back in to where I want to work with it. Okay. So now I have a great picture here of an iPhone 4. And I can actually go ahead. Now we have the white background. That's the main thing that we're looking for. And a lot of people have white backgrounds, so I like to add maybe a little bit of extra and take it one step further. So I'll go here to home where my tools pop up, and I'll click A, and this is just text where I can start to write something. So if I wanted to, I could write, and we'll blow up the size here to maybe 200. Make this bigger so the words will fit. And maybe we can just type in, let's change the color. I don't know, I like to do blue a lot. Blue, this color. A lot of people like blue on eBay, I don't know why, but that's a pretty favored color. Just FYI. So we can type in iPhone 4, and then if it's with T-Mobile, we could put T-Mobile, something like that, right? And move it up. Great, looks good. And then we just click over to the side, and then that'll end that task. Boom, there we go. And then a lot of times, sometimes you'll see watermarks or people's names inside of their pictures. And on PCs, it's really hard to, you can't really make the words or your name transparent like you can on an iMac or an Apple computer. But if I wanted to just do it on this computer, say I have a black background. Well, I want my color to be just a shade lighter. Okay. Maybe like that might be okay. And just because I don't want people to notice that, I want that to be the last thing people notice. So, okay, we can type in, whatever your name is. So, Extreme Line, that's one store that I have. I'll go ahead and make it smaller here. And, we could just put it right here. That way, nobody can steal our picture. And so there we go. If you want to finish like that, you can. You can also go ahead and check this out. Say you want to do best price emblem. So you click in best price in Google, go to images, and you've got all these images here. 100% best price guaranteed, best price. So if we want, we can just best deal promise, whatever you want. I like them all. So let's just say we wanted to do this one. So we right click it, save image as. Now we do want to save this image as what we're listing. So we're listing this as iPhone 4, or actually, how about this? Apple iPhone 4, T-Mobile, cell phone. That's good enough for this. I'm gonna go ahead and save that to the desktop. Now we can go back to our picture, and we're under the home screen where the tools are. We have the option to paste from, and we'll go ahead and find that on our desktop. Here it is. Okay, and here's the image right here. We can go ahead and blow it up as big as we want. The only thing that I don't like about this is that you can't get rid of this white background. See how it cuts into the phone? So sometimes you need to make it a little smaller. Or you can crop the picture to make the white go away even more. So I honestly don't like this, how much white is in that picture. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and open my picture, and we'll go ahead and see if we can crop it somehow. Let's try to crop it. I haven't really used this computer a lot, so it might take me a minute, but let's see here. Crop. Would you like to use it? Aha, okay. So here's crop. So we want to get everything in it. And we might want to even keep this for reflection. It's kind of cool. Alright, and I think if we just click out, it'll save it automatically. I don't know. I don't think it did. But you get the point. So we're going to go ahead and go back to that picture. Yeah, I don't think it did. But anyway, so I should have saved it. And then the white would have been smaller. But either way, not that big of a deal. We'll just go like that. That's fine. Best price. So here's your picture. If you want to, here I'll zoom down a little bit. So that's going to be your picture. So after you do that, you add a little bit of words in it describing what exactly it is, describing what people are actually searching for. iPhone 4, T-Mobile. That's what I would search for if I was looking for an iPhone 4 and I had T-Mobile service. And then I embedded my name in there and I put like a little tag for marketing. Once you have that done, all on a white background, the last step is to save it. And we went over this in another video, but in case you didn't get to watch that, we're going to go ahead and save this as, and we want to save this as whatever our title is, the same title we're going to use in our eBay listing. So we'll use Apple iPhone 4, we'll do 4G, since we want to make it a little longer, T-Mobile, cell phone, smartphone, excellent. Okay, go ahead and save it. Okay, so now it's saved to my computer. Now when I go ahead and make my eBay listing, I'll go ahead and upload that picture, and now that picture is going to help me rank, and it looks very professional. So that is the steps on making the best picture that you can make, not only to rank the highest on eBay, but to also look the most professional. I hope this video has helped you guys. Thanks for taking the time to listen. Like I always say in all my videos, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below this video and I'll get back to them and answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks again, guys. I hope this has served you well, and good luck.